Assalamualaikum. Welcome to TechNexa. I hope you're all fine. You're all doing well. Today, this is the fifth tutorial of our Elementor playlist, in which today I'm going to tell you that how you can customize the website icons. Like these ones, how you can create or you can, change the links in the header or footer. So this is very easy. You just have to, just I'll go on the dashboard and I'll click on visit site, and this is going to open the website that I've created. And I will just click on the customize button over here. There are a lot of buttons to do, but here I will click on the customize button and let's see what happens. So here you can see we have a lot of options to customize our website. We have the option to change the theme and the color and fonts and header, footer, and in general post pages. There are a lot of other things, menus and widgets also. But I'll here just I would like to just edit these buttons or social icons, you can say. And I'll click on header, and over here we have logo, that is this one. And this is primary navigation, which is this one, home, about, services. These are the navigation buttons, navbar. And we have not then the button of social. And in social we have right now three different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. But I would like to also add one, which is YouTube, right? So I'll just click on this YouTube icon, and here are all social media. So you can choose any of these, whichever you want. So I'll click on YouTube, and YouTube has been added, but I haven't added any link, or maybe I have added, but I'll have to check. But before we go there and check, we can even edit the button icon. The icon can also be edited. And now here you can see the YouTube button gets changed when I click this one, and then when I click this one, it gets changed. So we have an option to upload our own SVG, or even if we already have an PNG image, we can also upload that. So on icon, I'll click on this one, this YouTube icon. And here now I'll just click on publish, and this has been you know saved. And now I'll click on set social links. Now I'll just check that if all the links are okay or not. But I can see here this is the link that is already written here, so I don't need to worry about, because I already had this button in the footer, and I also had the link set it up for this. So now I've already clicked on publish, so I will just go over and see if it is working or not. I will click on this icon, and here I can see that the YouTube channel of Abundance Business and Consulting is being opened. And there is no need to worry about this. So this is how you can edit the social icons in your website in Elementor. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.